Why you must do NLP? To be able to challenge your own assumptions and create different reality for yourself and grow. The hardest assumption is the one which you don't even know you're making, said by Adams. The most important part for all of you to remember is that NLP helps you deep dive to challenge your assumptions. Well, the whole day you are assuming so many different things if you are not asking clearly to communicate for someone or by someone. For a simple thing and a simple example for all of you to understand is that, oh, this person might be now thinking that I am X. This person might be now thinking that I am Y. How many times do we create such kind of assumptions in a day? Maybe every single day, and every single conversation is so dependent on the assumptions. The moment you even go to have a meeting with someone, you plan that I really know that this person is like this. How do you know? Is the challenge. These challenges are about meta challenges. Meta challenges is a terminology in NLP which we use to challenge your assumptions, your filters, what you delete, what you generalize, and based on what you delete and what you generalize, you're creating your life. For example, when I say that I can't really do this, I am creating an assumption about my future. Or when I say everyone is going to say that, I'm generalizing a statement by using everyone. NLP goes more deeper, really. Every single person who comes to me is using certain kind of language patterns which has these assumptions or deletions or generalizations, and my job is to teach you how to challenge using meta and help or facilitate that person to create change at a deeper level. I specialize in teaching you NLP to be able to utilize NLP in your life, and also for you to be able to facilitate as a coach and learn these tools and techniques to practice for your daily life throughout. Meet me in the webinar on the 25th and 26th of November, and we will talk more about these kind of patterns. See you then.